Vivo has officially launched the X200 FE on a global scale, beginning with its debut in Malaysia. This version is the international variant of the Vivo S30 Pro Mini from China. However, it comes with a significant upgrade. The global edition features optics endorsed by ZEISS. Its design includes a metal frame along with a glass back cover. The dimensions are 150.83mm in height, 71.76mm in width, and 7.99mm in thickness, making it a compact device. It also has a weight of 186 grams. It also has certifications for IP68 and IP69, ensuring resistance to dust and water. This feature is becoming more common in high-end and even mid-range devices, so it achieves a very good level of resistance. The phone will be available in black, yellow, blue, and pink colors. Additionally, the fingerprint sensor is optical and integrated into the screen. By the way, the screen itself is a 631-inch LTPO AMOLED panel with a high resolution. 1.55K of 2540 x 1216 pixels with a pixel density of 460 ppi. So it will be a really very sharp display with good colors and good contrast. We are going to find also an adaptive refresh rate of up to 120 Hz, an impressive peak brightness of 5000 nits and high frequency dimming of 4320 Hz. As for the cameras, which may turn out to be the most attractive of the entire Vivo X series, the front camera will be 50 megapixels with autofocus and f2.0 aperture. In the rear system, there are three cameras with ZEISS optics, a main Sony IMX921 sensor of 50 megapixels with an aperture of f1.88 and optical stabilization, an ultra-wide, angle camera of 8 megapixels with an aperture of f2.2 and a 106-degree field of view, and a periscope camera with 50 megapixels featuring a Sony IMX882 sensor, and 3x optical zoom. The camera system seems competitive enough for a high-end device, yet compact. As for the battery, we will find a single cell with 6500 mAh capacity and supports 90 watts fast charging. I think it won't disappoint anyone. Hopefully, it will have a good performance as well. Speaking of performance, we are going to find ourselves with the MediaTek Dimensity 9300 Plus, built on a 4nm process, along with the Immortalis G720 GPU. In addition, it is accompanied by 12 GB of LPDDR5X RAM and 512 GB of UFS storage 3.1. Just keep in mind that expanding the storage using micro SD cards is not possible with this device. In terms of software, it comes with Fun Touch OS 15, which is based on Android 15. As for the price in Malaysia, it is 3,199 ringgit, the local currency there, which translates to about $359. However, do remember that the prices here might differ from those in other regions. Please share your thoughts on this compact device, which offers a powerful combination of ZEISS cameras and an excellent battery. Can it compete at the high end?